Hi friends, Flavio here. Let me ask you a question. What is your understanding of health? If I ask you, are you healthy? What would you answer me? For most people, maybe not you, but for most people, health is simply the absence of disease. In other words, if nothing really hurts, or if the doctor said that I don't have a major illness, then I'm healthy. For most people, that's good enough. But for some of you, health is a little bit more sophisticated than that. For most people nowadays want to live a life that is outstanding, that is awesome, that is great. Grandparents want to be able to run with their grandkids. They want to be able to lift them up in the air and run with them. In other words, we are not content anymore sitting on a rocking chair and watching the grandchildren grow up. We're not content anymore just taking medication just to survive for a few more years. People want high quality of life. And above all, the national thing that's happening nowadays, besides obesity, is lack of energy. We live in a culture of caffeination, and people drink coffee and stimulants to be able to stay awake throughout the day because most people are depleted of energy. And it is difficult to consider a person who has no energy to live their lives to be healthy. So when we think of health, we think of way more than the absence of illness. We think of health as the ability to live an outstanding life, the ability to do what you want to do, the ability to show up at your peak, the ability to show up at your best, the ability to get everything done with enthusiasm, with happiness, with energy. To us, that's what health is. And let me ask you a question. What do you think prevents that from happening? Now, some people might say it's genetics, and today we know that it isn't genetics. Today we know that genetics doesn't quite determine everything about your health. There's something called epigenetics, a topic that I've published a few articles in, and you can look them up. In other words, there's more to your health level than even your genes. What counts is what turns those genes on and off, and that has a lot to do with lifestyle choices and your thoughts and your feelings and your mind. So the way to improve your health, my dear friend, is to actually change your mind about yourself, about your body, about your life. And we can do that at Life Master Academy Live. Imagine this, we get together for a whole day, and we use very specific exercises and a whole lot of fun as well to target, to address, to heal every major area of your life, starting with your health. We're going to take a deep look into what are some of those beliefs that you've adopted as a youngster that actually limit the fullest expression of your health. And we're going to heal those beliefs and substitute them by the belief that you can actually achieve great energy, a great expression of life. You're going to leave Life Master Academy Live with this feeling that you're a different person. That feeling, of course, is going to drive different behaviors, different actions. You're going to make different choices, food choices, exercise choices. And in a few weeks, that's going to transform your body. So imagine, you're going to take a whole day for yourself. We're going to address health issues, finances, vocation. We're going to address your relationships and even your spirituality in a whole day, full immersion, a full transformation. Because if we target only one area, the other ones tend to be unattended to, and we have this lack of balance, which ends up creating a bigger problem later. We have to address every area together, grow and improve every area at the same time so that we can become the fullest expression of who we're meant to be. And that's why I'm actually inviting you to come over to Life Master Academy Live, find out the very next event, the very next date, join us, come shake my hand, come say hello, tell me you watched this video and that's what brought you in, so that we can get started on achieving your dreams. Thank you.